how to track your orders on Temu. If you're like me, you love shopping online, and one of the most exciting things about online shopping is receiving your orders. But sometimes tracking those packages can get a little tricky. Well, today I'm going to show you how to easily track your orders on Temu step by step. Alright, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Temu website. Once you're logged into your account, look for the profile tab. It's typically in the top right corner of the screen. Now, after you've tapped on your profile, now you want to find the orders section. Tap on your orders. Here's where all the magic happens. Here you can see all list of all the items you've purchased. Now to track an order, you just need to find the specific item you're looking for. Let's say if you want to track some order over here, once you find the order you want to track, simply tap on it. Once you've tapped on your order, you'll see all the details of your purchase. To track your order, look for the tracking number and delivery status again. Now after that, you can see a track order button. Tap on that and you'll be redirected to the tracking page. Now if your order has already shipped, you'll see the delivery progress in real time. On the tracking page, you'll get a breakdown of where your package is. It will show you details like when it was shipped, where it currently is, and the expected delivery date. Sometimes you'll even see a map that shows you exactly where your package is right now. So there you have it. That's how you track your orders on Temu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.